Hello all, welcome to oratrainers.com. In this session, we'll discuss about a functionality called Advisor in Oracle Apex. Let's get into agenda. We'll be discussing only about Advisor in this one, and let us understand what is this Advisor is all about. So Advisor is kind of a functionality which enables us to validate the application for any of the suspicious errors which an application may have it. Okay, so we does not need to analyze on our own like for each and every component. Just run your page, or you can just click on the advisor. It tells you what the list of errors it is having. Okay, so and there are two navigations for advisor. You can navigate via application, and also you can navigate via page designer. Here, if you observe the first navigation, you click on your application, click on the utilities, and you could see the link called advisor. This is one way where you can navigate. Another one is you can just run your page. I mean, you can open the page, and from the page designer, and you can see this particular icon. And under this one, the second menu here is called advisor. Okay, it's both in both ways you can navigate to the advisor. And once you navigate to the advisor, right, this is how it looks like. And by default, like if you're running from application, it will not tell you the page number. It will not assign any page number. But if you're running the advisor from the page designer, it will assign the page number. Okay, and these are the list of checks. Like you can enable. Let us say if you don't want to have all these functionalities to be checked on the page, you can uncheck it and you can click on perform check. So once you click on perform check, it provides the result of the advisor information. Okay, now let us run this page like in our case. So what I'll do is I just have a very simple report with form page, and I'll just click on run. Okay, this is a page. So by just seeing the page, we think that everything is okay. But what we do is now just click on this particular icon, click on advisor, and see does it have any errors. And you can observe that the page number got auto populated because we are running the advisor from the page designer. Click on perform check. And here you could see that like it is just giving only one kind of error, security and authorization. Okay, let me try one more thing. Now here what I'll do is I'll just remove the order by class. Okay, click on save, run the page. Okay, and also what I'll do is I'll run the advisor again. Advisor, click on perform check. You can also check, you can also enable, expand this, and you can see what are the list of things which are checked, or you can just like check, you can uncheck or check whichever according to your requirement. And as of now, just simply go with the default and click on perform check. And now here if you observe, because I have removed the order by, as per the Oracle standard Apex page design, it is having lot number of functionalities. Okay, I mean to say like as per the quality assurance, it says like there is something is missing, and it say like a default order, right? So in this case, it's just reporting like this. Maybe if at all, if you have some other, if it is having a complex page, and according to the quality assurance from Oracle Apex, it may give you good amount of warnings or errors. Okay, based on that, you have to fix it. Now let us navigate from the application. Click on utilities, click on advisor, and here you can also see the same thing. And now this particular advisor runs across your application, not on just a single page. It runs across your application. Now, if you observe across, when I run across application, now we could see good amount of warnings, errors, and some other things. Okay, just navigate. I mean, just try to validate whether how many things are appropriate for your particular application, and based on that, you have to correct it. Okay, so this is all about a simple functionality advisor in Oracle Apex. Thank you.